Welcome to Impart Math Knowledge. I'm going to discuss about standard deviation. Standard deviation is the square root of the mean of the squared deviations from their arithmetic mean. It is also known as root mean square deviation. It is denoted by the symbol sigma. Coefficient of variation. The standard deviation is an absolute measure and the corresponding relative measure is known as coefficient of variation. For the individual series, standard deviation is root of summation x square divided by n minus sigma x by n whole square, where n is the number of observations. For frequency distribution, standard deviation is equal to sigma fx square by n minus sigma fx by n whole square, where n is the total frequency. Coefficient of variation. Coefficient of variation is equal to sigma divided by x bar into 100, where sigma is the standard deviation, x bar is mean. Calculate standard deviation and coefficient of variation for the individual series. The given values are x. Let me write the values 9, 27, 18, 54, 45, 72, 36, 63, 81. Summation x is equal to 405. Next one, x square. 9 into 9 is equal to 81. 27 square is 729. 18 square is 324. 54 square is 2916. 45 square is 2025. 72 square is 5184. 36 square is 1296. 63 square is 3969. 81 square is equal to 6561. After finding the square, you have to take the total. Sigma x square is equal to 23,085. Mean is equal to sigma x divided by n, where sigma x is equal to 405. N is number of items. Here n is equal to 9. So x bar is equal to 45. Next we have to find standard deviation. Sigma is equal to square root of summation x square by n minus summation x by n whole square. Sigma x square is 23,085. N is equal to 9 minus summation x is 405 divided by 9 whole square. Therefore, the standard deviation is 23.238. Next, we have to find coefficient of variation. Coefficient of variation is equal to sigma divided by x bar into 100. Sigma is equal to 23.238 divided by x bar is equal to 45 into 100. So coefficient of variation is 51.64. For the individual series, first you take the square, then you take the total. After that you have to find standard deviation and coefficient of variation. Discrete series. Here wages and number of workers are given. We have to calculate standard deviation and coefficient of variation. X denotes wages, F denotes number of workers. X values are 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Frequencies are 17, 22, 15, 13, 27, 31. The total frequency is 125. Next we have to find x square. 50 square is 2500. 60 square is 3600. 70 square is 4900. 80 square 6400. 90 square 8100. 100 square 10,000. Next we have to find fx. 50 into 17 is equal to 850. 60 into 22 is 1320. 70 into 50 is 1050. 80 into 13 is 1040. 90 into 27 is 2430. 100 into 31 is 3100. After multiplying frequency with f, you take the total. Summation fx is equal to 9790. Multiply frequency with x square. Fx square. 2500 into 17 is equal to 42,500. 3,600 into 22 is equal to 79,200. 4,900 into 15 is equal to 73,500. 6,400 into 13 is equal to 83,200. 8,100 into 27 is equal to 218,700. 31 into 10,000 is equal to 310000. After multiplying the frequency with x square, you have to take the total. Summation fx square is equal to 807100. First you have to find mean. Mean is equal to summation fx by summation f for frequency distribution. This is equal to summation fx is 9790. Sigma f is 125. Mean is equal to 78.32. Next we have to find standard deviation. Sigma is equal to square root of sigma fx square by n minus sigma fx by n whole square. That is square root of sigma fx square by sigma f minus sigma fx by sigma f whole square. Sigma is equal to square root of summation fx square is 807,100 divided by summation f is 125 minus summation fx is 9790 divided by summation f is 125 square. If you simplify this, you will get 17.966. Standard deviation is 17.966. Next one, coefficient of variation. This is equal to sigma by x bar into 100. Standard deviation is 17.966. Standard deviation is 17.966 divided by mean is equal to 78.32 into 100. This is equal to 22.94. Coefficient of variation for this particular problem is 22.94. Next one, continuous series. We can calculate standard deviation and coefficient of variation for the given data. The class intervals are 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30. The middle values are 2.5, 7.5, 12.5, 17.5, 22.5, 27.5. Frequencies are 2, 7, 18, 10, 8, 5. Total frequency is 50. Next we have to find x square. 2.5 square is 6.25. 7.5 square is 56.25. 12.5 square is 156.25. 17.5 square is equal to 306.25. 22.5 square is equal to 506.25. 27.5 square is 756.25. Now multiply frequency with x. 2 into 2.5 is 5. 7 into 7.5 is 52.5. 18 into 12.5 is 225. 10 into 17.5 is 175. 8 into 22.5 is 180. 5 into 27.5 is 137.5. After multiplying the frequency with x value, you have to take the total. Sigma fx is equal to 775. Next, multiply f with x square. 2 into 6.25 is equal to 12.5. 7 into 56.25 is equal to 393.75. 18 into 156.25 is 2812.5. 10 into 306.25 is 3062.5. 8 into 506.25 is 2450. 5 into 756.25 is 3781.25. After multiplying f with x square value, we have to take the total. Sigma fx square is equal to 12,512.25. Now we can find x bar. This is equal to sigma fx by sigma f, where sigma fx is equal to 775, sigma f is equal to 50. Therefore, x bar is equal to 15.5. Standard deviation sigma is equal to square root of sigma fx squared by sigma f minus sigma fx by sigma f whole square. Sigma is equal to square root of summation fx square is 12,512.25 divided by summation f is 50. Sigma fx square is 12,512.25 divided by summation f is 50 minus summation fx is 775 divided by summation f is 50 square. If you simplify this, you will get 3.1615. Standard deviation is 3.1615. Coefficient of variation is sigma divided by x bar into 100. Sigma is 3.1615 divided by x bar is equal to 15.5 into 100. If you simplify this, you will get 20.397. Here we discuss how to find standard deviation and coefficient of variation for individual series and frequency distribution. Hope you all understand. Thank you for watching.